Today it's the 28th of August 2021. Now we have Järnefeltinkatu. Was it? Yes, building 9.
Yeah.
Staircase B.
D.
What?
D.
Ah, D. So they have always the earlier staircase A and D.
Yeah.
Strange like that. But we also went to the staircase A here. It was built by Schindler, which Schindler's fixtures in 1988. It's turning 35 years old in 2023. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. The serial number is 43143 and the capacity is 4 plus or 305 grams. The staircase A has 6 floors, while this one has 5 floors. It's still amazing.
Yeah.
This is Järvenpää träskända uusimman Finland, Finland. I like the breathing sounds here.
Oh, same here. Expected pakkivaiskutat maintained by Schindler.
And I like the smell in here.
Same. Staircase B, C, E, F and G don't have elevators because they have only one apartment or shop or something.
Yeah, entrances.
Yeah.
But they are not staircases, they're just entrances.
Yeah.
I think they have like just labeled these according to the entrances.
Yeah.
Not as staircases. And that's
Yeah.
why it's A and D.
Yeah.
But it's pretty strange and unusual to do that.
Yeah.
Because normally they don't have the letters for like entrances only.
Yeah.
And it's the first time I've seen this. It's only here in Järvenpää.
Yeah.
So that's it then. Thank you very much for watching. And please also watch the sticky saving, as it has 6 floors, one more than this one. That's it.
That's it.